Alright, I'm about to show you how easy it is to install one of our flag decals on the rear side window of a Ram truck. Step 1. We're going to clean the window very good. Here you can see I'm just blasting the edges of the glass to make sure that there's no dirt or debris there, because I don't want to put the soap on the glass and then have some dirt fall down behind the decal when I'm trying to apply it. The next step is going to be choosing the right decal for the side of the truck and making sure that it fits perfectly, which it should, because all of our decals and the transfer paper are perfectly cut to align them on the glass of the vehicle. This means you cannot put this decal on crooked. It's very easy to install, and you're going to get the alignment perfect every time. The next step is going to be actually removing the backing paper from the decal. So you can see I make a lot of room, and we're going to flip the decal over. Now we're going to go ahead and start removing the backing paper. We're going to do that at a very sharp angle to try to prevent the decal from wanting to lift with the paper. Sometimes in shipping, tunneling can happen though, and this step is not as smooth as it looks. If that's the case, just lay the decal out flat on a big table, squeegee it all down, give it a few minutes, and then start this process. Now we start applying the decal to the vehicle. And to do that, we're going to use our wet application fluid, which is a soap and water mixture you can buy on our website. You get a little 30 milliliter bottle, mix it with a gallon of water, and you get a lot of fluid. And you see, you're going to need a lot of fluid. The more you apply, the longer the decal will float on the glass, and the more repositionability it will have. Then we just lift the decal up, put it right in place, which is incredibly easy given that the transfer paper is cut perfectly to shape. See how we just press it onto the glass, it kind of sucks itself down, then we get the squeegee and we start squeegeeing. We're going to start right in the middle and evacuate the water left and right, and just keep moving the water out. I kind of go in the direction of the flag, then switch it up, and now the only goal is to get all that water out from behind. Only one thing left to do, and that's remove the transfer paper from the window and leave the decal applied. In order to help that, we're going to wet the paper. That's going to make it to where the paper softens and the adhesive, and you'll be able to remove that paper. Once again, we do this at a sharp angle so that the decal wants to stay flat on the glass. If this isn't easy, just give it more time, walk away. Wet the paper, walk away. That just means there's more soap in your solution, or there's too much solution still behind the decal. So give it time and the paper will come off. Now the only thing left to do is to dry off the decal and do any finishing touches. So you can see here I'm not really applying much pressure with my hand because I don't want to snag it anywhere. And when I'm on the distressed flag, I actually switch and I start dabbing more because I don't want to rip any of the decal off. However, that is one nice thing about the distressed flag design, is that if you do mess anything up or something snags, all you have to do is take your knife and just kind of distress it a little bit more. Nobody will ever notice, and you'll now be unique and have a different flag than everybody else. Alright, and that's all there is to it. You have successfully installed your American flag decal on your Ram truck. Thank you very much. And of course, this product and many others can be found at luxautoconcepts.net.